User expectations for a digital product, such as a website or an app, are influenced by new technology and features. It also has an effect on how people relate to it. Because of this, UX design guidelines are also being refined over time. As consumer needs and contentment rise, so does the importance of UX design as a tool for increasing customer loyalty and happiness. Providing customers with the greatest user interfaces is part of your job description as a designer. In order to keep up with the times, it's important to lay the solid groundwork. In this case, a UI/UX design bootcamp is the best choice. Second, you must keep up with the newest trends and determine how to incorporate them into your designs. Accordingly, we have highlighted the top 7 UX design trends for 2020. Let's get started, shall we? 1. Personalization as a priority. As Netflix and Spotify know precisely what you want to watch and what you want to listen to, personalization has become an essential aspect of our everyday lives. And things will only get better in 2020. The area of UX is predicted to go beyond customer happiness to include hyper-personalization. Instead, the emphasis is on developing an online experience powered by data that anticipates the requirements of customers before they ever express them. This is where the concept of localization comes into play. Login choices may alter depending on the location of the user, for example. From dashboards to alerts to checkout choices, UX designers should develop solutions that enable consumers to manage their own experience. 2. Designs based on augmented and virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, and extended reality, ER, are 3 of several emerging technologies that Meta has declared ambitions to use to create immersive digital experiences, XR. UX design standards will undoubtedly develop in 2023 as a result of an improved digital world. Through the usage of AR and VR, customers will be able to better engage with their goods. Customers may virtually try on clothing from the comfort of their own homes using augmented reality through e-commerce applications, for example. Because of this, they are likely to keep their attention for a longer period of time. In order to produce the greatest possible client encounters, UX designers must stay up with these technical changes. 3. Visualized data. A new era of data visualization is projected to open up in digital marketing. UX designers must master the art of presenting data in visually appealing ways like infographics. Brands are interested in finding out how to deliver data to consumers in a way that encourages them to engage with the product more often. A good example of this is the yearly Spotify Wrapped. It's a great approach to show people that you care about their tastes in music and artists by showing them how much time you've spent listening to their music. As a marketing technique, it also generates buzz on social media. 4. Animation and 3D design. Unique websites and apps are becoming more popular with many companies, particularly in the creative industries. 3D design and animations aren't new, but they play an important part in user experience, UX. Use 3D approaches to enhance the user's overall experience and engagement with your product. As an example, consider the following from Pluto, a business that specializes in XR technology. Pluto's website has a wide range of 3D graphics and animations to improve the user experience. Its goods may also be seen via the UI. Both established design tools and newer, more accessible 3D design tools are expected to grow in popularity as a result. 5. Interactions at the smallest scale. The tiniest visual features that have a big influence on user experience are known as micro-interactions. When it comes to user experience design, micro-interactions have been around for a while, according to experts. Micro-interactions require designers to think beyond the box. Here's Spatsec Studio's About page as an example. Yes or no options are made by users on the website, leading to an interactive and entertaining storytelling method. In addition to selecting an answer, circling the answer offers a micro-interaction for users. As soon as a user hovers their cursor over an answer or selects one, a circle appears. 6. Take on the minimalist trend. In recent years, minimal UX designs and clean user interfaces have become more fashionable. But to inject their own personality into them in order to keep users interested. It's not uncommon for companies like fulfillment and warehousing solution providers stored to have normal flat user interfaces, yet the tagline of their website has an animation of a warehouse area. If you scroll down to the warehousing area, it zooms in on that portion of the graphic utilizing unique animations. If you're not especially interested in storage services, their innovative and engaging user experience will keep you. 7. More advanced cursors. The major means through which users interact with the UI is via the usage of cursors. Visitors' usage of the cursor is universal. Designers will be able to make use of cursors in 2023 by incorporating them into their work in order to provide their customers with a cutting-edge experience. Obi's agency, a Ukrainian design firm, makes clever use of the cursor to arouse curiosity and highlight its impressive portfolio. When you hover your mouse over a picture on the Obi's website, you get a look inside the project. It works the same way if you hover over hyperlinked text, too. When displaying extra information, the cursor may be used. Hovering over hyperlinked content in an About Us page, for example, may provide one-sentence information about the group or employee. When it comes to user experience design, you can't go wrong with cursors. Concluding remarks. It's important to keep up with the latest UX design trends, but a specialized UI/UX design course is necessary to grasp the fundamentals. This will allow you to easily adjust to new trends without having to rework your whole design approach.